How to add hyperlinks within same Word document. Hello digital friends. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to insert links within the same Microsoft Word document. So, as you can see on the screen, I'll demonstrate how to hyperlink a word, picture, table, or other element. Additionally, I'll show you how to link any word to the home page. Let's get started. I've created some text, a table, and an image in the document. Now I'll hyperlink each of these items on the first page to their respective elements. First, I'll hyperlink this heading 1. To hyperlink, we need to complete 2 steps. First, we'll create a bookmark that will serve as the ID for that element. Now, select the heading. On the menu bar, find the Insert tab and click on it. Now locate the bookmark option and click on it. Add a name for that bookmark. The name should relate to the element it's being created for and preferably should not contain spaces. I'll name the bookmark My Heading 1. Click on Add. Now, go back to the desired word we're linking to the created bookmark. This text or word we're linking can be anywhere in the document. Now select that word. You can click directly on the hyperlink here, or you can right-click on the selected word and choose Hyperlink. Here we won't choose the first option for classic links, but we'll choose the second one place in this document. For heading parts, there's already a default generated bookmark, so you can choose any My Heading 1. Click OK. We can already see that the link is created. By simultaneously clicking Ctrl and this link, we'll be shown the place for which we created the bookmark. The cursor is directly moved to this Heading 1 bookmark. Now, here I've added the text Go to Top, which I'll link to the home page. I'll select this text and right-click on it. I'll choose Hyperlink. Here we have the option Top of the document, which we'll select now. By simultaneously clicking Ctrl and this link, we'll be taken to the start page of the document. Besides headings, we can also link any ordinary word in the text. For example, lorem ipsum marked with a bookmark, then I'll name the same. Now, I'll link the word directly to lorem ipsum. The procedure is the same as before. In the same way, we can link tables and images in the document. Again, we'll create a bookmark. Then we'll link the word to that bookmark. And once again, I will link this text to top of the document. Here, we've successfully inserted the link again. It's very useful to know how to link places in the document if you have large documents that need to be well organized. I hope I've made your work easier in this program. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.